The OnePlus 12 series is set to launch in India on January 23, 2024, and the Chinese smartphone maker has also confirmed the simultaneous launch of the OnePlus 12er with the OnePlus 12. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz and HDDA support, the OnePlus 12 boasts an impressive 6.82-inch display using fluid AMOLED technology. The resolution is a crisp 1440x 3168 pixels with a pixel density of 557 pixels per inch. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for durability against scratches and drops. In terms of internal specifications, it runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor using an advanced 5M process. The CPU has a Cryo 780 architecture with a prime core clocked at 3.2s, 3 gold cores clocked at 2.7s, and 4 silver cores clocked at 2.0 drops. This is complemented by the Adreno 730 graphics processor for smooth graphics performance. Now, the function of OnePlus will be previewed for you, and kindly remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.